임종 아차 찌
몇 새끼 도사.
그래 봐서 세다 산에 도구면
걔도 이지.
바라지야 바라 3월 게임 하세요 바라지 아 3월 게임 나또 매담 거야서 인들 게임 로고 가지 그래도 아직 임종 아차 찌
몇 새끼 도사.
그래 봐서 세다
The real meaning of Yimjong, okay? Yimjong means we have once upon a time we have east, west, north, south, okay? Yes. Later on we search and find together that is called Yimjong, okay? Yes. Under Yimjong we have already recognized. But before that, we have 6 dialect speaking, home dialect speaking language. Okay? Chirr, Makury, Chirr Langa and Makury. But Makury is they got recognized. So now we have 5 home dialect. The real meaning of Yimjong. Okay? Yimjong means we have once upon a time we have east, west, north, south. Okay? Yes. Later on, we search and find together that is called Yimjong. Okay? Yes. Under Yimjong, we have now currently one tribe is already recognized. But before that, we here. You know this meaning? No. Because we are disobedient one. Okay? Yes. During the Great Wall of China, who are disobedient? They have beard and ear. Okay? Yes. So after that, coming from the China, at the end, the beautiful lady accept to the Arumbu accept to those accept the what you are going to give for like Tory assistant, like Tory like Moto to Mujibal. The book will get up, the secretary get up, to do it to Luzan, African Lavado, to Chinju, Moshi Kalamaka, to Arabal, no more to Luang, the Tagato. Eh, that other side, therefore, the arbiter of Abu to Grisha. Reindeer we can go. I try to tell.
teaching people says type of like this. Different languages have got different meaning. Okay. As I said, Makury is taken from the Makury dialect. That means starting from Burma and China, we were shifting. Our migration route is starting from Tibetan Burma, and then from there we start our travel where to settle. We may have heard of early men. You see, early men, the Kita Sonana. Did you hear? Yes, early man was a wanderer. You see, because they did not accept that Makury is called as, then we translate Yimjong, Makam Chi, that is called Makury. It's Makury dialect. Speaking Makury, here in Nagaland we have called Pukyu. That is my village, our village, Pukyu. And then Puro village. And then some people are still in Moya, and then some in Old Lungti, New Lungti, and then this Lungtimong, Tengdang, all these are Makury speaking people. And then Kigamo also, Gentile also. And then 2 new villages, that is Wungwa and Steel. Like this are in Nagaland. And then where is there are many villages and towns. Like Shitong also, that is Makury speaking people, and then there's a community called as Mako, Makury Area People's Organization. Mako is about organization community means it's like a Kumsar range or Mimi range had a teaching on there. Our share Mako is about Makury Area People's Organization is about it. Organization they have like there are many villages and many people. It's like Mayama. And then as I said, here even in Salami, we find many old people. Ashimbo, Ahikula, Isayumacha. That anything, Asapa, Isa had a